Hello guys and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's episode we are doing another shoe cleaning. We are cleaning the Air Monarch IV, a very good dad shoe from Nike, and we are gonna use this shoe cleaner, the Clean Shine Master Sports White and Colored Shoe Cleaner. Let's go! Okay guys, so welcome to another shoe cleaning video. Hope you're all safe and well. So for today's video, we're gonna go and clean the Air Monarch IV. It's a very bulky dad shoe from Nike. So this is mostly all leather and this part is mesh material. Now this particular shoe, as you can see, has some faded paint in this area. We'll try to paint this one, and for today's episode we're gonna go and use sports white and colored shoe cleaner by Clean Shine Master. So this is a spray type of shoe cleaner. Just spray to the shoe, brush and wipe the residue. So this is priced at $99.75. Bought this at Athlete's Foot. Okay, so let's go ahead and proceed with the video. guys, and we are done with the shoe cleaning. So this is the final outcome of our Air Monarch 4. We also did a few retouch on some damaged parts. Remember guys, we're just a DIY shoe cleaning page, not really professional at this. We just did some retouch, mainly just to cover those damaged areas not visible when you wear them. Now for the shoe cleaner, I'm not quite satisfied with this Clean Shine Master, although it's relatively cheap. 100 peso for 120 ml, not bad. As you can see guys, this is almost half already. We have consumed half of this shoe cleaner, so basically not very efficient at all. So might as well go for the more expensive shoe cleaners that will most likely use small amounts only. So that wraps up our video for today. Hope you guys learned some new tips and tricks on cleaning shoes, and we'll see each other on our next shoe cleaning video. Bye.